tell them about it.
Okay, my cousin got a car, a remote control car. It's 88 Junior, Dale Junior, and he's driving it on a table. It goes pretty fast, so.
Oh no, where's she at?
Ooh, that was a close one. Woo! Look at it go. Ooh, it fell.
No, it didn't.
Rip it off the edge.
No.
I got a remote control car that drives on walls and ceilings. Leroy, get out of the shot. We're trying to watch him drive it. Dude, it ramped off.
I think she's got my number stuck in there.
Move, Leroy. Here, drive it off the edge and I'll catch it.
Listen to it rumble. Now you're gonna watch it off the edge.
Oh, I got it. 88. It's got Mountain Dew on it. Oh, that was a nice. Oh, it fell off the edge, but it landed on all fours. Go, baby, go! Bounce! Wow! Oh, sweet, it has amp on it. Look, see? Amp. Mountain Dew. Ah! Let's watch it go, go, go. Go, Cody, make it go. Ramp it off the edge. Whoa, I thought it was going off. Whoa, it's flying down through. Oh, it landed on all fours. And now it's stuck under the piano. Ready? Let's watch it go, go, go.
I think my battery's going to. There we go.
Hey, you hit me, you little stinker. Ooh, that was a close one. It landed upside down. Go, boy! Make it go.
It's a hawk.
If I had mine, I'd drive it along the walls.
Yeah, and you'll come up the wall and I'll become the crust wall.
You know, mine can even drive on ceilings.
Look how close mine was from falling off.
You're welcome.
I drove back with them.
I'll catch it. I'll catch you.